Hi students, in the last video we discussed about storage techniques in warehouse. In this video we will learn various types of space optimization strategies. Number 1 is the warehouse layout design, which is designing an efficient layout that maximizes the use of available space. First feature is flow layout, where you organize areas to facilitate a natural flow of goods from receiving to shipping, reducing handling times. This means that you define the direction of movement of material. This helps in standardization in the flow of goods and ensures minimum handling time. Second is zoning, where you demarcate designated zones for different product categories or activities like separate areas for quality check, documents, packing, sorting, etc. And third is utilization of vertical space, where you use tall shelves and racks to take advantage of vertical space. Second is dynamic slotting, where you adjust the placement of inventory based on demand patterns and product features. Just for clarity, demand patterns refer to the trends and behaviors observed in customer demand for products or services over time. Number one feature is ABC analysis, in which you classify inventory or stock of goods into various categories like A, B, C based on sales and allocate space accordingly. Goods with higher sales will be given higher space and vice versa. Second feature is seasonal adjustment, where you reorganize inventory based on the seasonal demand to ensure popular items are easily accessible. For example, for an apparel brand in winters, winter clothes will be given more space in front of the warehouse and summer clothes will be given small space towards the rear of the warehouse. Third is multi-tier racking systems, where you try implementing multi-tier shelves and racks to increase storage density. Storage density can be defined as number of items or kgs per square feet. The number one feature is selective racking, which is a storage system that lets you easily access each pallet or item stored. With this system, each pallet is placed on shelves that are spaced apart. It allows forklifts to reach any pallet directly without moving others. If you are confused what forklift means, we have got you covered. Forklifts are powerful vehicles used to lift, move, and stack heavy loads in warehouses, factories, or construction sites. Second feature is drive in, drive out. This feature of racking system lets forklifts drive into the storage area to place or pick up products. Third is cantilever racking, which is a storage system designed to hold long, bulky, or irregular shaped items such as pipes, lumber, or furniture. This system features vertical columns and horizontal arms extending out. This allows you to store items on these arms without needing a shelf or support underneath, as you can see in the image given below. Next is the use of automated systems, where you implement automation to improve efficiency and save space. First feature is automated storage and retrieval system, where you utilize machines to automatically store and retrieve inventory, maximizing space usage. Instead of people manually moving products, special machines do the job. They can quickly place items on shelves or take them off when needed. Second is use of robotic systems for picking and transporting goods, which reduces the need for wide aisles and increasing storage density. Aisles are the spaces between rows of shelves or racks in a warehouse. They allow easy access to products and help organize the layout. Fifth is optimizing aisle width, where reducing aisle width can increase storage density, but you must not compromise on the accessibility of material. First feature is narrow aisle racking, which uses specialized equipments like forklifts to access goods in tighter aisles, maximizing storage capacity. Second is adjustable aisle widths, where you design flexible aisles that can be adjusted based on the types of inventory stored. Example, if you want to store small sized boxes, you can narrow the aisles, whereas if you want to store large boxes, aisle width can be increased. Sixth is inventory management techniques, where you implement effective inventory management practices to optimize space. First is just in time or JIT. JIT reduces excess stock by ordering goods only as needed, freeing up storage space. And second is FIFO and LIFO methods, which we have already discussed in our earlier videos. Seventh is utilizing non-traditional storage solutions, where you explore alternative storage options to maximize space. First feature is use of mobile shelves, where shelves are mounted on wheels that can be moved closer together to create more space when needed. And second is adding intermediate floors, which is called mezzanine, to increase usable space without expanding the footprint of the warehouse. And the last way to optimize storage space is regular audits and reviews, which deals with conducting regular assessments of inventory and space usage. First feature is cycle counting, where you regularly count inventory to ensure accuracy and identify slow moving items for potential reallocation or disposal. And second is where you study space utilization metrics by analyzing data on space usage to identify inefficiencies and areas of improvement. So, what were the key takeaways of this video? We learned various types of space optimization strategies. In the next video, we will learn about warehouse management system. Thank you.